covered in oil now.
Today we are going through a bunch of different maintenance items on my Jeep LJ, getting ready for a pretty big ride, but also showing you guys things that you should pay attention to between rides on your rig, as well as some large items you should do every so often. In this case, 7 years since we built this truck. Now, this is also a great time to take care of things that maybe you wish you could change on the vehicle. And in the case of the Jeep LJ, I've gone back and forth on the exhaust on this truck 3 times since I've built it. At first, it was really, really loud, and I liked it. And then I started to not like it. So then I rebuilt the entire exhaust to make it a little bit more quiet, and then I rebuilt it again to make it a whole bunch of quiet. The problem was, in order to quiet down, I had to put so many pipes underneath the floorboards, it became almost uncomfortable to drive this vehicle. So I've gutted all the exhaust out of it, and I've got a whole new plan. I'm gonna use Valvetronic Designs universal valved mufflers. Now, I'm only gonna use one of these because I really like this muffler design. It's incredibly small, so it's a small case muffler, easy to package, but now I'm gonna have the best of both worlds. When I want this vehicle fairly quiet, I'm gonna do a 2-into-1. I'm gonna bring both manifolds over to one side of the car. It's gonna go into this muffler, and then it will go down this pipe, go through the actual muffler chamber to quiet it all down, and then out a turn down on the back. But occasionally, maybe I want this Jeep to be a little bit rowdy and I want it to be loud. Well then, I'll just grab my remote, press the button, boom, straight through. Basically the same as a set of turn downs on your exhaust, except instead of the turn down just dumping right underneath the passenger compartment, filling it up with the exhaust smell, it's gonna travel all the way down the tailpipe and out the back. It's just gonna, instead of go through the muffler, it's gonna go straight through here, and it's gonna be nice and loud. I think the best of both worlds.